Hi, I'm Marquita and I solve singing problems. I'm a vocal coach and a mentor to singers. Hello, hello, hello. Today, we're going to talk about a subject that's coming up very soon. July 4th is coming up, Independence Day. So, the declaration of something is not the end, it's a beginning. And I want to read off some dates that maybe some of you know, but then again, maybe you don't. And this will inspire you and enlighten you, I think. Well, let me just read. We started the American Revolution in April of 1775. Thomas Jefferson wrote the first draft of the Declaration of Independence in June of 1776. The Continental Congress decided to declare independence on July 2nd. The Continental Congress approved the final wording on July 4th of 1776. And that's the date and a copy in the National Archives in Washington, D.C. Now, the date it was signed, though, was August 2nd, 1776. And the direct declaration was delivered to Great Britain. When? Not July 4th. It was November of 1776. Notice, November of 1776. And we started a revolution when? April of 1775. Now, why am I talking about this when I should be talking about singing? You know why? Because the declaration is not the date. It's a beginning. The singer's decision, the declaration. I'm going to sing. I'm going to write that song. I'm going to make a CD. I'm going to get that producer to do the things I need to do for my voice. I'm going to get that manager or agent. I am going to fulfill my dreams. I'm going to do what I love. That declaration is there, but guess what? There's going to be a lot of blood, sweat, and tears before you get to the end product. Great Britain didn't get the notice until when? It was November of 1776. So the dates are all mixed up. It is not the declaration. It's the fact that you're involved. You've made the decision. You have to be determined and purposeful with all you do. So your decision is here. You're determined to do it. And then it's going to be blood, sweat, and tears, honey, while you do it, because there's going to be a lot of twists and turns. Your voice is going to be up. It's going to be down. You're not going to know what to write in that song. That's all going to be okay. Understand, it's a process from here to here. It is a process. You're going to be in the midst of it. And the joy and the reward is that celebration. That you did do the singing. You did continue practicing through all the blood, the sweat, and the tears. You did continue on when you got a bad review. You did continue on. And now what? You can celebrate the fact that you're doing what you love and you love what you're doing, which I'd always say. We're still celebrating now. 2022 it is right now. Wow. Still going on, still celebrating. That's what you're going to do. You're going to celebrate the fact that you are doing the one thing that makes you happy. Out of many things, I hope, that make you happy. But this one thing, you decided, you declared, I'm going to do it, or I'm going to continue on. I love what I do. I have different ideas. I'm going to write that song, a new song. I've got more to give. All these declarations, and then that determination and the follow through. I always talk about the follow through. That's what makes it happen. We fought, we declared, and we're continuing on as a nation. You are continuing on. Why? because you're with me, honey. I'm continuing on too. So continue on. Do the love thing. Do the wonder of your life. That's it. Being of a purpose here. Giving what we have to give, our talents. And we're continuing on, and we can celebrate that. So I celebrate with you the fact that we're doing what we love, and we love what we're doing. Okay? Celebrate. Life is great if you make it great. Always follow through. It might be hard at times, but you can do it. Be determined, purposeful, do the follow through. And you'll be happy that you did what you said you were going to do. That's what I do. I'm happy because of that. Now, what do you need from me? Tell me, are you stuck with something with your voice? Can you not hit high notes? Can you not hit low notes? Are you straining? What is it? Are you having a hard time writing that song? Did the producer tell you something and you don't exactly agree? Sometimes you're not going to. Tell me in the comments below what your needs are so I can come through and give you help. Because I will not go weary, Lord, though sometimes I do. Oh, don't grow weary, honey. Keep going. Okay? Great. Subscribe. Okay? Good, good, good. Bye-bye-bye.